Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save your designs in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Then open any existing design or create a new one. Now I'll make a small change to my design by editing some text. As soon as I make this change, Canva automatically starts saving my work in the background. If you look at the top of the screen, you'll see a message such as saving or all changes saved. This confirms that Canva has automatically saved your latest changes. One of the best things about Canva is that you don't need to click a save button. Every change you make is saved automatically as long as you're connected to the internet. This means that if you close your browser or come back later, your design will still be available in your Canva account. If you want to save a copy of your design on your computer, click the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download. Now select the file format you want, such as PNG, JPG, PDF, or MP4 video, depending on your design. After choosing the format, click Download and Canva will export your design to your device. Remember, downloading your design is different from saving it. Canva automatically saves your project online, while the download option creates a copy that you can keep on your computer or share with others. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you now understand how Canva automatically saves your designs and how to download a copy whenever you need one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.